So today is the unboxing video. We are going to unbox this MyCard link. So first you have to open. So here you can see that welcome in MyCard link, and there is a welcome note, and here is the note is congratulations, welcome in GSR family of use and 25% discount, and also you can connect more than 1000 plus applications. So here is the card. You can see that. So this is the NFC based card. We'll check out that later. And here is the car parking tag, and you have to print your own QR code here, place QR code here, and here you can see that branding of your network is your net worth. Okay, so this is the mobile pop-up. How this mobile pop-up works, I'll show you that, and where you have to place this. You have to place this on your mobile cover like that. So once you place that mobile pop like NFC business card, तो suppose अगर आप मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जाते हो या फिर कभी आप अपना बिजनेस कार्ड कैरी नहीं करते हो, तो मोबाइल पॉप also can work like your NFC business card. Okay, okay, so this is the NFC card. See that all products, QR code, and also one click to save in contact list. So what you have to do, peel off, and you have to print a small piece of barcode and cut it like a small QR code and paste it here in the black box like that. Once you paste like that, your QR code will be your parking tag will be like visible properly. Okay, after pasting on your front windshield.